Hello flower lovers, this is Joanna Fart and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I will be teaching you on how to make a corsage from scratch. The tools that we will be using are scissors, a cutter blade, ribbon, a hardboard or cardboard, tie wrap, glue, and I just want to show you this corsage holder. Us florists, we are using it, but now I will be teaching you on how to make an easy corsage without using this material. So let's start the cheap and easy way of doing a corsage. First, we need a hard paper or a cardboard. It's not so thick, even a 300 GSM paper will do. We have to cut a small piece to make it as a base on our wrist corsage. After that, we need to cut a 2 1-inch slice slit for us to put the ribbon in. Just like this. Open up the slit so we can put the ribbon in. Check your desired length of the ribbon to make a bow later on when you fix it on your hand. Before starting, just make sure to put the paper on the center of the ribbon. We're ready to put the flowers. We will be using only few flowers on this project. Starting with baby's breath or gypsophilia, 3 blooms of this baby yellow roses, and last but not the least, a few pieces of soft roscus. I hope you're enjoying. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. So let's start. My paper is on the middle of the ribbon, and now we are ready to put the flowers. First, let's cut the greens on tiny pieces. You can create whatever design you want. Just make sure that you glued it nicely. This video is specially requested by our subscriber and a friend. Hi Jasmine! So if you have suggestions and requests, please comment down below. I'll be waiting for it. Make sure that everything is glued properly so nothing will fall apart. And now, the baby's breath flower or the gypsophilia. Cut it into small pieces so you can distribute it nicely. These flowers are just extra from my other arrangement, so we better use it rather than throwing it. And next, the yellow baby roses or the spray roses. We will glue it also on the corsage base. Be careful on using your hot glues, it might burn you. If it's your first time to do a corsage, I prefer that you will be using small flowers like this. Because if you will be using a big bloom of flower, then it will be hard for you to control and make a design. But it depends. As I always said, there is no rule on doing a flower arrangement. Do whatever you like. For sure, you will be creating something beautiful. Just be careful with your blooms. I'm not pushing it so hard, it just looks like. But I'm trying to be not so harsh on the flower because I don't want it to be damaged. After gluing all your baby roses, you can now put your extra gypsophilia or baby's breath to make your arrangement more nicer. Here in Oman, corsage is not typical. It is rarely used here. But I hope after they watch this, they will come and order to us. I will list down our shop number so you can easily reach us. I will also put my extra greens just to make use of everything. After doing the flowers, let the glue cool down. And here it is. You have made your own yellow corsage. I hope you learned something new from this tutorial. And this is the final look. I feel like today yellow is my lucky color. After long hours of work, our boss gave us a cute present and we will be sharing the unboxing.
Thank you, boss!
Doing a good job is not always about impressive innovation. Sometimes it's only about doing something with plain dedication. Well done, Los Clarita team. I'm so proud of us. And thank you to all our clients who always appreciate. We are so happy to serve you. It's just nice to work so hard when you feel appreciated. Thank you, universe. We're just enjoying our perfumes. We just loved it. I hope you had fun today. So are we. Please like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell. Thanks for watching. See ya!